uplifting, motivational stories. The man who failed 1,000 times to light the world. As a child, Thomas Edison was labeled difficult. His teachers thought he was slow. They said he asked too many questions, so they sent him home. But his mother believed in him. She taught him herself, not just lessons from books, but lessons of belief, of imagination, of possibility. She told him he was destined to do something great. He believed her. As he grew older, he became obsessed with learning. He worked as a telegraph operator by day and an inventor by night. He failed often, but he kept building. He kept dreaming. Then he set his sights on one of the biggest challenges of his time, creating a practical electric light bulb. People laughed. Others tried and failed. They said it was impossible. But Edison didn't stop at the first failure, or the 10th, or the 100th. He tried over 1,000 times. Experiment after experiment. Filament after filament. Glass after glass. Burnt fingers. Sleepless nights. Empty pockets. Failure after failure after failure. A reporter once asked him, how did it feel to fail 1,000 times? Edison smiled. I didn't fail 1,000 times, he said. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps. And on that 1,001st attempt, it happened. The bulb glowed, not for seconds, but minutes, then hours. He had done it. That tiny bulb lit up more than just a room. It lit up the entire world. Street lamps, homes, factories. Life changed forever. All because one man refused to quit. So the next time you feel like giving up, when the world tells you you're not smart enough, when failure knocks again and again at your door, remember Edison. He didn't wait for the light. He created it, not because he was the smartest, but because he believed and he persisted.